Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare Access login verification step by step clearly. To authenticate with Cloudflare Access login verification, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard at dashboard.cloudflare.com. Log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. Select the website for which you want to set up access. In the left sidebar, click on Access. Then, select Login from the submenu. Click on the Add button to create a new login method. Choose the authentication method you prefer, such as Google or GitHub. Follow the prompts to link your chosen authentication provider to Cloudflare Access. Once linked, configure the settings as needed. After configuration, save your changes. Next, go to that Applications tab within the Access section. Click on Add an application to set up a new application. Input the application details, including the name and URL. Set the policies for who can access the application. After setting the policies, click Save. To test the authentication, navigate to the application's URL in a new browser. You should be redirected to the Cloudflare Access login prompt. Authenticate using the method you configured earlier. Upon successfully logging in, you will be redirected back to your application. Make sure to verify that access is granted as expected. If necessary, adjust your application or access settings based on your test results. And that's how you authenticate with Cloudflare Access login verification step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.